Good night. My name is Humberto Urbina. I am studying Industrial Engineering in the UNA University. This is my ID, okay? And this is my travel itinerary, okay? Introduce of the place. Santa Catalina is municipality of the Colombia. This is located in the department of the Bolívar, 44 km northeast of Cartagena. This main and tourism attraction are the Totumos volcano, the vision of Galera Samba and the Ceibal Park. These are wonderful blessings that you can only find here. During of the trip, when arriving at the destination Santa Catalina of the Alejandría, our activities are as follows. Day 1, to visit Totumo volcano. Day 2, good the pink vision of Galera Samba and the virgin vision of the Lomita de Arena. Day 3, hike to the Ceibal Natural Park. Missing of the transportation. Being in the municipal park of Santa Catalina of the Alejandría. We can get her in the various means of the transport. Activity 2. The visit the Totumo volcano and the make a mouth shower. Good the pink vision of the Galera Samba of the virgin vision of the Lomita de Arena. Good the Ceibal Natural Park. Pleasant steering. We can study in the hostel as the municipality near as the main square of the Virgin. In Santa Catalina, we can eat different typical plates of the Caribbean. Meat. Cost. All oysters have different cost of 1,000,000 to 100. Thank you very much.